gentlemen to the stage. And of course, sa Pinoy Heart Radio, sa pag-organize ng events na ito. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, so this last song is from Lulumaya, from their first album. The name of the song is Kid. Happy Valentine's para sa lahat.
The Astros band. Oh, rakrangan na. All right, welcome once again to this event, Luna Paloza, right here at the Jack Lounge and Bar.
All right.
All right, DJ Mom. At napapasabay tayo sa rakrangan dito. And shout out sa ating mga friends na nag-enjoy it. Yeah, nandito sa right side. Shout out sa inyo dyan.
Thank you so much. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Mario Bayan, of course.
And also to our friends over there. Thank you so much. And I hope you are enjoying the night.
Of course, did you know they're watching, nandun sila upang pursue natin ng music for a cause.
Yes.
In collaboration with the Jack Lounge and Bar.
Thank
By
you
the
so
way,
much.
I would like to acknowledge yung owner ng bar, ano? Andyan po si Mr. Nitin, si Mr. Ribin.
Thank you so much to Mr. Ranjet.
Kaya sila tatlo, nagbilit nasa dulo.
Yeah.
Thank you so much po, of course, dito sa pag-event natin, ano? And unang banda pa lang yun, ano?
First band to perform
First band.
tonight. And we still have 5 bands.
Yeah. And of course, this event, DJ Rico, will not be possible without our sponsors.